Rotation is movement around the long axis, and you can do this at the neck. You can rotate your neck. You can also do this with your lower appendage, specifically with your thigh at the hip, and you can also rotate your arm at the shoulder. And notice you can rotate laterally away from the midline, or you can rotate medially toward the midline. Supination and pronation for this lab are going to refer specifically to movement between the radius and the ulna. And I want to warn you, in the subsequent video, I incorrectly pronounce supination as supination, but the correct pronunciation is supination. Moving from palm down to palm up is supination. When your forearm is in the supine position, the ulna and the radius are parallel. When moving from the palm up to palm down position, notice that the radius crosses the ulna. This is pronation. Moving from palm up to palm down is pronation. Now I'm going to demonstrate pronation and supination, and although those terms can refer to more than one joint, the joint that we're going to focus on will be in the forearm, the joint between your ulna and your radius. Moving from palms up to palm down is pronation. Notice that my ulna and my radius move from being parallel to my radius crossing over, and I go palms down. Going from palms down to palm up is supination, or some people say supination. Okay? So pronation, supination. The words are very similar. The only thing that differs is the first three letters. So students commonly mix these two up. So what I tell students to remember is that when you pronate and you go palms down, it's pronation like a pro basketball player. When you supinate, you're going to hold a bowl of soup. So pronation, supination.